Oh, he's on point up here. Good boy, Guns. Boy. What do we got? Good boy. You want to do me a favor and walk into that ditch? Or you can take a picture of us first if you want, but where's the bird gun?
Am I supposed to be like stirring up the bird?
Yeah, I'm just thinking it might fly out into the road where I can shoot at it versus. Gunner's coming. If you see it, shoot it. Did you see something? Woodcock? It's walking down the ditch?
Yes, and then it went into
Yeah.
there.
If you want to get in there.
Okay. He's working it this way,
I know.
your way.
I know. Just get on the other side or just walk right down the ditch. Good boy, Guns. There it goes.
Where?
I don't know. I heard it take off though.
Yeah, me too. But I kind of saw it for a second, and it was like before I could even do anything about it.
It's fine. That is fine.
It was kind of cool just to see it in like in there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Boy Gunner. Now, does he point partridge too like that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
They just tend to fly, right?
Well, either that or they'll run more. I mean, like that woodcock actually ran, but
Right.
partridge will even, they have a harder time kind of sitting still.
Okay.
Sometimes he'll get them, so they will, but.
Yeah.
Come on, Guns, get in the woods, bud.
Not really have to know teeth.
No, not yet, but he's working something, I think. Well, not anymore now, but I just seen him work in the ditches.
The bell is kind of cool because it tells you where he is, but also if it stops ringing.
Exactly. Must have been some flight birds last week or something.
From what?
Oh, when the woodcock, when they
Oh. flying through.
Yeah.
Now, where do they winter?
Lu-
Southern states?
Louisiana. Some of them go as
Okay.
far as Louisiana. Huh. He might be on point again up here. Yep. No, maybe not. Yep. Bird's just walking on him. That's a pretty point right there. What's going on, Guns?
Where can I go?
Right now you're good. See what he does. I'm guessing this one might have been a partridge. Really? He's on point. You can stay here if you want, or you can come into the woods, up to you. I see you, bud. Good job. What do we got, buddy? Huh. Good job, Gunner. Good job, buddy. Good job, bud. Come here. Hey, 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 hey. Gunner, here. Gunner. Gun. Right here, buddy. Right here. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. Woodcock. Come on, Guns. Come on, bud. Yeah. Yep. Got great. Is this still recording? Yep.
What's the partridge?
Woodcock.
Oh, okay.
I think I got a really good video of it too. Him on a really nice point. Bird coming up. I mean, it come up like from me to you away.
Oh boy. And did you shoot it in the air? So,
Yeah.
okay. Like
No, like it was flying.
flying away from
Yeah.
you, kind of?
Yeah.
Perfect.
250 feet this way. But he's on point. Oh, he's coming. Come on, bud. Huh? Yeah. Huh. Are you really on point? He's on point like 40 feet right here. Sorry about that, Guns. I missed it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That was a partridge though.
Oh. I thought it went down. Did it just
It just flew across. Good boy. Good boy. Dad missed that one though. But yeah, that was a partridge.
Okay. Do you think it probably flew
Yeah.
a ways off?
Yeah. Oh, Gunner. 500 feet on point. Wow, he's holding this point good. He's still on point. Partridge! Here, bud. Here, bud.
That's a good size one, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Gunner, here, bud.
Gunner!
Come here. Hey, hey, hey,
Gunner!
hey, this way. Come on.
Good boy, Gunny.
Come here, bud.
Boy.
Come here. Hey, yeah. Mom's gonna go get a pic. Mom's. Oh, you can't eat him yet.
You can't eat him at all. Okay.